did hit the record button. Sometimes it's tricky. No, I'm not behind you. Go get your ball. Uh-oh. Somebody does videos camera.
Good job.
You ready? Oh, here. I know Bailey. Yes, you want to be in the shot. Thank you. What do you do? You gotta go get it. Bailey. Bailey. Bailey, sit. Lay down. Good girl. Stay. Here you go, Zach. Wee. Pass it to me. Pass it to me. Pass it. Come on. I'm open. I'm open. I'm not behind you. Hey, Bailey, make yourself useful. That's not useful. Go get it, Zach. Go get your ball. Go get the ball, Bailey. Somebody go get the ball. Zach. Thank you, Bailey. All right, Zach. You ready? Whee! Uh-oh, where'd it go? Go get it. Pass it to me. I'm open. I'm open. Oh, that's a cool move. Bailey, just wag your tail over here. Thank you. Go get it, Zach. Where'd the ball go? You wanna come give me a hug? Oh, okay, you're tired. Oh, I love you. I love you. Hey, you get your ball? Okay, that's the shortest way.
Just gonna get some cookbooks.
Okay, bath time. Pass it to me. I'm open. I'm open. I'm open. Yay! Your turn. Pass it to me. I'm open. I'm open. I'm open. This is going nowhere near me. Where'd it go? Can you nose it to us, Bailey? Nose it to us. Nose it to us. Because you're very pretty. Great. You asked for it. Yeah, put it over your back. Over your head, over your head, over your head. No. I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna come here now.
He's doing all the work, Mommy. You're just kind of sitting there.
Yep. Well, I did move over here. Yeah. I got it. Now you got it. Yeah! Yay! Yay! Please don't fall back quick. Okay. Are you tired? I don't know if you can do both. That's a good idea. Safety first. Whee!